Hello, my name is Abigail Johnston, and what we're looking at here is the poster you requested for your public service announcement about forest health and fire. My first thoughts on what I wanted to show people was that fire can be used as a tool or it can be a threat. To get people to take this personally, I made sure to use the photo of the wildfire with the city in it. I thought this would get people to see that we need to manage our forests or else it could cause a threat to their homes. The second message I wanted to portray was that fire can be used as a tool in conjunction with logging. I originally was going to place the logging photo and the prescribed burn photo side by side at about the same size. When I started laying out the poster, I realized that the logging one needed to be a bit larger to see the whole photo. I then began to think that this could be good because logging our forest is better than not. However, logging followed by a prescribed burn is best in most cases, as you know. I wanted the wildfire photo to be the largest to bring people's emotions into the poster. However, it ended up being about the same size as the logging one, and I think that worked out just fine. When it came to picking the colors for the words, I wanted the colors to match the wildfire. And then I thought the white just contrasted well in the wildfire photo. And when it came to picking the background for the words in the upper left-hand corner, I thought the white and the orange contrasted well, and they matched the other words, and they matched the wildfire. And I thought that all blended well together. For the font, I just picked one that was easy to read and bold. And for the size too, I thought that was a pretty good size. It didn't take up too much of the photos, and you could read it easily. Alright, well that about sums up why I chose this design for your public service announcement. If you have any questions or would like more work done, please feel free to contact me, and thank you again.